an international and European Union law question.
A university challenge. 8 teams, 5 universities, 4 countries.
A journey to Leuven to discuss the obstacles of the freedom to provide services.
European law, moot court competition, Leuven 2014.
2 stages. First one, December 2013. Second one, the written part.
3 positions: the applicant plea, the defense of the Belgian state, and the position of the European Commission.
Second part, Brabant region. Catholic House School, Leuven, 20th March.
1 trial, 2 pleadings. Mr. Mark versus the Belgian state. Work language, English.
A great experience, new friends.
Training law, practice the language, enjoy the university.
Universidad Católica de Valencia, San Vicente Mártir, My University.
Right outside with my guitar in my hands, and the notes became loud as I sound caressed the air, and I kicked it up a notch as I strolled without a care, 'cause I'm going